Are you looking for a simple, natural way to boost your health and nutrition? What if I told you there's a tiny superfood that packs a big punch? Stick around, because today we're unlocking the incredible health benefits of chia seeds. These little powerhouses are more than meets the eye. Unlock the power of chia seeds. 7 health benefits you need to know. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Be Your Health, and in today's video, we're diving into the top 7 health benefits of chia seeds. Plus, we'll share some easy and delicious ways to incorporate them into your diet, so don't miss out. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only, and should not be considered professional health advice. If you're enjoying our content, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health and wellness tips. Historical background. Before we get into the benefits, let's take a quick look back in history. Did you know chia seeds have been used for thousands of years? Native to Central and South America, chia seeds were a staple food for the Aztecs and Mayans. In fact, the word chia means strength in the Mayan language. These tiny seeds were valued for their ability to provide long-lasting energy, earning them the nickname runner's food. Chia seeds were not only a food source but also used for medicinal purposes, and today they continue to be a highly prized superfood around the world. Segment 1. Rich in nutrients. First up, let's talk about their nutrient density. Chia seeds are loaded with essential nutrients while being low in calories. They're a great source of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, calcium, and magnesium. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains a hefty dose of all these nutrients, making them a small but mighty addition to any meal. Imagine getting a burst of nutrition by just sprinkling some chia seeds on your oatmeal or blending them into your smoothie. Segment 2. High in fiber. For better digestion. Next up, chia seeds are incredibly high in fiber, with about 11 grams of fiber per ounce. That's nearly half of your daily fiber intake in 1 serving. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, helping to keep things moving and preventing issues like constipation. Plus, because they absorb water and expand in your stomach, chia seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, which can assist with weight management. If you're looking for a natural way to stay satisfied between meals, chia seeds might just be your new best friend. Segment 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. For heart health. Now, let's talk heart health. Chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s are known for their ability to reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and support brain function. By adding chia seeds to your daily routine, you're giving your heart a healthy dose of these essential fats, helping to lower the risk of heart disease. Sprinkle them on salads, mix them into yogurt, or even add them to baked goods for a heart-healthy boost. Segment 4. Supports healthy skin and hair. Chia seeds are also fantastic for skin and hair health. They contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and antioxidants, which are essential for maintaining healthy, glowing skin and strong, shiny hair. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, which can prevent acne and promote clearer skin, while zinc supports hair growth and repair. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're nourishing your skin and hair from the inside out, giving you a natural beauty boost. Segment 5. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. Chia seeds can also help stabilize blood sugar levels. They slow down the absorption of carbohydrates in the digestive system, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar. This can be especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those looking to keep their blood sugar in check throughout the day. Add chia seeds to your meals, and you might notice steadier energy levels and fewer cravings. Segment 6. Protein power. For muscle health. For all the plant-based eaters out there, chia seeds are a fantastic source of protein. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide about 4 grams of protein, making them an excellent addition to a vegan or vegetarian diet. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, and chia seeds are an easy way to get more of it into your daily meals. Try adding them to your post-workout smoothie for a simple protein boost. Segment 7. Antioxidant and immune boosting power. Lastly, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. The antioxidants in chia seeds also give them a long shelf life, meaning they stay fresh for longer. Plus, they're high in calcium and magnesium, supporting bone health and giving your immune system a boost, helping you stay strong and healthy. Testimonial time. Real life story now. Let's hear from someone who has experienced amazing benefits from adding chia seeds to their diet. Lisa, could you share your journey with us? Lisa, sure. Hi everyone, my name is Lisa, and I started incorporating chia seeds into my diet about a year ago. At first, I added them to my smoothies and yogurt to see if I'd notice any difference in my health. And wow, since then, I've noticed major improvements. My digestion has become more regular, I feel fuller longer, and I even have more energy throughout the day. It's honestly been a game changer for me, and I highly recommend giving chia seeds a try. Recipe 1, Chia seed pudding. Now that you know the benefits, let's whip up something tasty. First up, a creamy, nutritious chia seed pudding. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, or any preferred milk, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, half teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. 1. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl. 2. Let it sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. 3. Top with fresh fruits, nuts, or granola before serving. This is a delicious, easy breakfast or snack that's full of fiber and healthy fats. Recipe 2, Chia seed smoothie. Next, we're making a chia seed smoothie to boost your day. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 banana, half cup spinach, half cup Greek yogurt, 1 cup almond milk, a handful of berries. Instructions. 1. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth. 2. Pour into a glass and enjoy. This smoothie is packed with nutrients, and the chia seeds add extra protein and fiber. Recipe 3, Chia water for hydration. Last but not least, let's keep it simple with chia water. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 glass of water, a splash of lemon juice. Optional. Instructions. 1. Stir the chia seeds into the water. 2. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until the seeds form a gel-like consistency. 3. Add lemon juice for flavor and sip away. This is a hydrating drink that's perfect for keeping you energized throughout the day. By adding chia seeds to your diet, you're tapping into a wealth of nutrition and health benefits. Whether it's boosting your metabolism, supporting digestion, or protecting your heart, chia seeds are truly a superfood worth adding to your routine. Remember, it's all about small changes that lead to big results. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on natural health and wellness. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried chia seeds before? How do you incorporate them into your meals, and what benefits have you noticed? Share your experience with us in the comments below. Whether it's improved digestion, more energy, or better heart health, we'd love to know how chia seeds have made a difference in your life. Your story might inspire someone else to give chia seeds a try, so don't hesitate to share. And see you next time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Take care, and stay healthy.